channel. Now today's video is a dress haul video. You guys know I'm obsessed with dresses, so I tried out this website called Sloppins and I got a couple of dresses from their site and I'm super excited to show you what I got. But before jumping into the video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and also definitely follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. Now as I was telling you guys, I got few dresses from this website called Sloppins. Now they were kind enough to send the dresses to me. Before I show you the products, let me just tell you that Sloppins is a pretty nice website and they have amazing women's wear, right from ethnic wear to western wear, dresses, tops, gowns, you name it. And what I also found interesting about this website is that the pricing is quite affordable. They cater to women of all sizes, right from 3XS to 8XL, which is like amazing. So I found it pretty interesting. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's take a look at the first product, which is this one. Now how gorgeous is this dress? Now this is a maxi dress. As you can tell, I am 5'3" and the length is perfect for me and it is quite comfortable. This dress is an absolute fit for summer parties, especially afternoon parties, brunch, even for nighttime parties. I feel I got this dress, as you can tell, because of the color and also the style of it. I don't know if you can tell, but I think this dress has got quite a retro vibe to it and I love such dresses. With this dress you have to wear an inner underneath, as you can tell, and this dress is not at all see-through and the fit is pretty amazing. If you guys are looking for some maxi dresses, you should not miss this dress. It looks very pretty on you because of the color obviously and the style of it. So if you guys are wondering, I'm going to be leaving the links of all the dresses in the description box below as usual. Go ahead and pick the dress of your choice. Now moving ahead to the next dress, which is this one. Now I got this dress because of the style. Now I love florals, you guys know that already, and I got it because of the style of it, also because it has got a floral print. It is definitely girly, but it has got an edge to it because of the slits that is going on in the front. It makes it a very fun, stylish dress for summer parties, and obviously this dress can be worn for daytime parties or nighttime parties, provided you accessorize it that way. It has got a plunging neck, so you have to be careful with that. You might have to wear a bandeau top or an inner underneath and you'd be good to go. Again, it's quite comfortable. As I told you, I like the style of this dress. It is very edgy, mix of casual and party vibe going on. So yeah guys, definitely don't miss this dress. Moving ahead to the next dress, which is this one. Now how gorgeous is this piece, right? And this obviously screams party. I wore it the other night for a party that I had to attend and oh my god, I got so many compliments. I love the style of this dress. It has got an asymmetrical hem going on, very pretty because of that. It is off shoulder. It can be worn as a normal regular dress as well. If you're not comfortable with off shoulder, you just have to pull it up and you would be good to go. Now regarding the fit of this dress, I would say that it is pretty nice and it is again very comfortable. So yeah, if you are looking for a good affordable party dress which has got a unique style to it, then I think this is a dress you should not miss. I love the pattern of it. It has got a very soothing color to it and also the little floral details and the style of it got me into it and I'm so happy with this dress. I'm really impressed. Now moving ahead to the next dress, which is this one. Now you guys know I had to include a pink dress, right? And this striped dress here has my heart because of how pretty it looks. If you don't know already, vertical stripes actually make you look a little slimmer, so that is really nice. And this dress over here also has got an asymmetrical hem and it looks very pretty. It obviously has got a retro vibe to it. So as you can tell here that I have styled it in a retro way and I'm loving it. It has got a very pretty girly chic vibe going on, which I absolutely love. That is the main reason why I got this dress, because you guys know I love girly dresses. And yeah, if you love such vertical stripes or stripes in general, combination of pink and white in your stripes, then definitely do not miss this dress. You can style it in so many ways. Again, a dress which can be worn for casual days as well as for party purpose. I really like that about this dress. So yeah, I would definitely suggest you guys to go ahead and pick this one up. So yeah guys, those were all the dresses that I got from Sloppins, and if you ask me, I'm absolutely loving each and every dresses that I got. Yeah, definitely check out Sloppins. I'm very happy about the fact that I chose those dresses, and these dresses can be worn for both casual days and for party. So yeah, if you like any of the dresses, go ahead and pick them up before they get sold out, and also let me know which one was your favorite. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.